Hi, it's Tiana, and this is Tiana and Ace Tastes. On today's video, we are going to be sharing with you how Mom redid her kitchen closet. And it's kind of a closet that is used for multiple different purposes. Not really a pantry, but more, like I said, just kind of a kitchen closet with organizing and tips.
And I'm going to show you some pictures of the before and a little video, and this is where we take it from.
I can't believe I left this as such an eyesore for so long. Everything I need has been ordered and is on its way.
Well, not all the products have arrived yet, but I know the last one is supposed to arrive today, so I think perhaps we can do some prep work in here, little cleaning, some touch-up painting, hole filling, get ready to update this and make it more useful space, you know, get more organized and make it more attractive. Yes.
Let's take a look at the items that I purchased. I was debating on which direction to actually install these tile sheets.
My idea was to use these file dividers to store and sort bags, you know, keeps them up and out of the way. So I'm going to zip tie these to the shelf so they don't wander around and keep it nice and neat. So I have one in the front here, one in the front here, one midway on this side. We'll trim these all off after. One more to go. So I'm just gonna put it right here. Slide it in. Get a nice snug pull. I don't think they're going anywhere. Okay, so next I'm going to install a shelf that I ordered. Now, this shelf can be installed either direction. This way or this way, right? This way you could hang a towel over it. I mean, it's a personal preference on how to install this. Now I have a couple of ideas of something I'd like to do with this shelf, so I am going to install it in this direction. I'm going for my drill. So I can drill pilot holes and put anchors in and screw this puppy up. Now before I hang the shelf, I actually have that shelf and I have another shelf the same length. It's about 18 inches as opposed to the 2-footer up here. It's going to hang from it. So I want to make sure that my trash, I can take it out, lift it to remove it, and I don't want to take away any good function that I had previously. I mean, we don't want it to just look pretty. So I'm going to measure, make sure I can accommodate that, mark it up, and then hang this shelf. I'm still waiting on the other one to arrive. It hasn't arrived yet. Next, I want to mount the brooms and mops and such on the door because there's plenty of space between closing the door and where the trash and recycle bins are. So let's see, my longest one is this one. Make sure we keep it off the ground, and right in here is going to work out fine. Okay, so the shelf that was supposed to be here yesterday did not arrive. However, it did arrive today. So let's hang it up. Left side in. And then we just kind of lift and hang. That's all the pieces. We have the upper shelf that was there with the added file sorters. And then the next shelf that's fully mounted, and then the hanging rack. And I put up the bag sorters or storers. I'm thinking the loose plastic bags for one, and I have some loose rags for cleaning that I'll probably put in the other. First basket I hung up, I only wanted the one. I only thought I had a need for one, but it came as a 2-pack. So now I realize that I had enough room to slip this in. Ironing, trash bags, and paper towels. I have the brown bags and the plastic bags. So much room, I have lots to fill in. Everything that I had in the closet is back in there, plus items that I didn't have before. I think you can see my grandpappy's tail going. Apollo has joined me. I don't know if you can see. There he is. I had a great time doing the project, and I was very pleased with the outcome. I have a lot more useful space.
We hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe. We post new videos every Thursday. If you have any suggestions of things that you would like to see from us in the future, leave those in the comments down below. Thank you.